it's Nicole the Math Lady, and today we're talking about multiplying fractions. I don't know why, but it's actually one of my favorite topics in math because it's easy. It really is easy. You're going to see it, you're going to be like, what? Just that easy. Okay, so here I have a half of a circle. Imagine it's like half of a pizza pie that you had last night for dinner, still left over in the fridge. Pizza pies don't last that long in my house, but I'm just saying. Okay, so we have half of a pizza pie, and for lunch today you decided you wanted to eat half of it. Well, isn't that really the same thing as saying you're going to eat a quarter of it? But when it comes to math, if we said we wanted half of a pizza pie, we can do multiplication. Really, when you see the word of in math, it generally means multiply. 1/2 of 1/2. And when we multiply the top across and we multiply the bottoms across. So let's do that. 1 times 1 equals 1. 2 times 2 equals 4. And look at that. We still have a quarter of a pizza pie. Let's give you a few more examples of multiplying fractions. So here we have two fractions, 1/2 and 4/6. Let's go ahead and multiply them. So remember, we multiply the numerator across. So 1 times 4 equals 4. Then we multiply the denominators together. 2 times 6 is 12. Now, do we ever stop there in a fraction? No, we look to see if that fraction can be reduced any. And it looks like it can. We know that 4 goes into both of these numbers. 4 goes into 4 one time. 4 goes into 12 3 times. So 1/3 is our answer. What about multiplying a whole number times a fraction? Well, isn't a whole number the same thing as saying that number over 1? Really, because 5 is just 5 over 1. So if you need to see it, feel free to put that 1 in, and now just continue multiplying across. Numerator times numerator. 5 times 3 equals 15. 1 times 4 equals 4. Now again, we know we don't really keep it as an improper fraction. We're going to turn it into a mixed number. So we're going to divide. So I'll show you that down here. 4 into 15. 4 goes 3 times. We have 12, which means 3 is left over. So our mixed number is 3 3/4. Okay, let's say I had some pennies, and that each penny was 3/4 of an inch in diameter. So, well, what would be the total if I had 3 of these pennies? Well, one way to do it, we know we can add, right? We can add 3/4 plus 3/4 plus 3/4 inch and come up with an answer. But we also could multiply. So what if we did 3/4 times how many do I have? 3. Times it by 3. Because we know that one of them is 3/4 and we have 3 of them. We can just go do the math now. 3/4 times 3. Now if you need the help, feel free to put the 1 under the 3. You don't have to do it though, but if you need it, it's okay. So do the numerators now. 3 times 3 equals 9. And now do the denominators. 4 times 1 equals 4. And we know we're not going to keep it like that. We're going to change this into a mixed number. So we're going to go 4 into 9. And if we do the math, we have 2 with 1 left over. It equals 2 1/4. And there you go. That's a quick lesson on how to multiply fractions. Did a great job today. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.